Gas range inspection when moving in is another important thing you need to do. We'll be looking at the Thor gas range, but you can apply the same approach to any other make of regular gas ranges. Let's go! Hello homeowners, my name is Gary and I'm the owner and operator of the Techvill Appliance Repair in the beautiful city of Calgary, Alberta. On my YouTube channel, I share tips and advice on how to look after your appliances, how to avoid the breaks, and how to make educated choices when you're buying a new one. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider doing so. Today I'm gonna show you the how to diagnose the gas range. In this case, we have a Thor guy, 4 burners cooktop. The first thing you need to diagnose in here is the way how the burners are working. Basically, you just need to be sure that all of them are working. Everything is, this one is a little bit lower, but it's still in the reasonable time range. As far as you can see, the flame is really good, the color of the flame is not bad, and all of them are working with no issues. The second thing we need to diagnose, and the thing which the home inspector never diagnosed. I've never seen a home inspector diagnosing the temperature of the oven, but that's very important and might cost you lots of money. So what you need to do, you need to set up your gas range on 350 Fahrenheit on the bake cycle. Once you set up the gas range on 350 bake cycle, it should take you no more than 25 seconds to ignite the flame. You can hear that was within 10 seconds. That means the igniter is in the perfect conditions. In case if it takes you longer, if it takes longer than 25 seconds to ignite the flame, that means you have some issues either with the gas line or with the igniter, which is the most common part to replace for the gas ranges. Right now you can see that the light indicator is on, so that means the oven is preheating. Once the light is off, that means the oven reached the desired temperature. Let's check it out. You better double check the middle part of the oven. And I prefer to check up the right or left hand side wall. That's the most accurate place where you have the 350 Fahrenheit. Now you know how to inspect the gas range in your home step by step and figure out if there is any issue. Let me know in the comments what issue did you find with your gas range during the inspection. Also, let me know if you find this video helpful, and see you in the next video. We're going to show you how to inspect the electric stove.